Welcome back. In this video, we'll see how to do the two sample t-test or independent samples t-test in SPSS. Here we have a dataset for two different groups of students. One studied in the traditional method and the other studied in the interactive method, and their corresponding math results, math scores are also given. We have also converted the categorical methods into numerical ones by giving 1 to the traditional method and 2 for the interactive method. Finally, we want to see that the mean math scores for the two different groups are actually different or not. So in order to do it, we want to do the two sample t-test or independent sample t-test. So first go to the analyze tab, then compare means. From compare means, select independent sample t-test. Here select the math scores to test variables, and the methods converted will go to the grouping variable, and select define groups. Since we have given the two different methods value 1 and 2, we'll give 1 and 2 for the two groups and click continue. We'll also go to the options to select the percent confidence interval. It is given 95% already, so nothing to change here. Continue and finally click OK. This will generate a result for the independent sample t-test. Let's see. We can see that there are 15 observations for both the methods, and the mean for the method 1 is 72 and method 2 is 82. Standard deviations are also given here. For the significance, there are two types: equal variance assumed and equal variance not assumed. For both, the total t-test is showing less than 0.05, which means the two means for the two groups are actually statistically different. So this is how we can do the independent sample t-test in SPSS and interpret the results also. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for another useful video. Thank you.